Today I'm going to introduce another online software, a tool that could be used to practice how to solve algebraic equations. So you can see there's equation given here. Underneath there's a few things you need to learn. First thing, you can choose to do add or subtract x, right? In this case, if I want to add or subtract x, I press this one. This add or subtract is to add a number. I can choose to do multiplication on both sides and a division on both sides. Okay, I use this one as example. I have an equation negative 2x equals to 16. So in this case, I want to find out x equal to what, so I want to get rid of this negative 2. So how to do that? Because this negative 2 is multiplied to x, so to do the opposite, I would choose to do a division. Divide negative 2, that's what I would do. So here I can click divide, and then I can choose a number. You can see that this software doesn't allow you to enter a number. Instead, it provides a kind of a slide here to choose divide by what. Okay, I choose divide by negative 2. So click this one. That's done. This is a very easy problem to solve, and I get the answer x equal to negative 10. So you don't have to worry about doing the math yourself. The software do it for you. You just focus on the strategy of what to do to eventually find out x equal to what. At the moment, I'm working on level 1, which is pretty easy. I can choose a different level. I'll show you a level 3, right? That will be a harder level. So new equation. Right. Well, this one look a bit daunting. Maybe I go back to level 2 to make it easier for you. So keep clicking. Level X is highest. Level 2, see how it goes. All right. Okay, this one is not that daunting. Okay, so I have on the left hand side 2u divided by 3 equal to 18. So whenever I see a fraction in a algebraic equation, I will try to get rid of the denominator first. So in this case, it's the left hand side is 2u divided by 3. So to do the opposite of divided by, I multiply 3 to both sides, so I multiply to 3 to both sides. So in that case, the 2u divided by 3 become 2u. On the right hand side, 18 times 3, I have 54. Now the next step is to get rid of the 2 times u, so I do the opposite. I choose to do divide both sides by 2. 2, yep, done. All right, so try another one, see how it goes. Yep, it's a different type. So this time, on the left hand side, I have 8e minus 13. So I have e, this is a algebraic term, and a numeric term. On the right hand side, I only have a number. So I want to keep the algebraic term on one side and a number on the other side. So I want to get rid of this negative 13, right? Minus 13. So do the opposite, minus 13. So to do the opposite, I add, right? I add a number. So I click this one, add a number. I add what? Add 13 to both sides. 13 here. Right. You find that every time when I do something, I simplify the equation. Originally, I have 3 terms, right? 2 terms on the left, 1 term on the right. And after that strategic move or change to the equation, I eventually get 1 term on the left and 1 term on the right. So now, 8e E equals to 112. So to get rid of the 8, because 8 times E, 8E means 8 times E. So to do the opposite, to divide both sides by 8. So I choose divide by 8. Right, now get the answer. So this software helps us to focus on the strategy rather than doing the detailed calculation. So it's a good tool to practice learning algebraic equation solving. So I do one more to try. Okay, so this look like a different type. I have a algebraic term 18 minus 18m on the left. On the right, I also have an algebraic term minus 14m plus 8. Right, so there are many ways to do it, but I just choose a simple approach. On the left hand side I have an m, on the right hand side I have a number and an m, so I would try to get rid of this m so that I have number on the right hand side, the m term on the left hand side. Okay, get rid of this negative 14m. How to do that? It's a minus 14m. So this time I'm dealing with m as a negative, so I should do a plus. I would choose to do plus 14m to both sides to get rid of this one. So because it's m term, so I click on this operation on the m term, and then plus 14. So 14 here. Okay, so now I only have m term on the left and a number term on the right. So now the next step is to get rid of this negative 14, right? So because I mean negative 4. Negative 4 times m. So I do the opposite, is to divide both sides by negative 4. Then I have the result, m equal to 2. So once you become more confident in one type of question, you can move up the level to try something more challenging. There are 8 levels altogether. By the time you can confidently do up to level 8, you are pretty skillful in solving algebraic equation. Have fun. See you next time.